Hi, this is John Kramer with another episode of the Book Marketing Success Podcast. Today, I want to talk about an event coming up next week, Thursday, May 1st, Sell More Books Crash Course. It's a Zoom event that will be coming up again on Thursday, and it's free. So, do you have a nonfiction book coming out now or coming out soon? If so, you've probably wondered, how can I sell as many books as possible in the limited time I have? After working with more than 15,000 nonfiction authors and helping to launch such bestsellers as Rich Dad, Poor Dad and Chicken Soup for the Soul, my friend Steve Harrison has learned what works and what doesn't when it comes to selling books. Steve will reveal strategies and tactics successful authors use in a special Zoom event on Thursday, May 1st. It will run from 12 noon to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific. It's again called the Sell More Books Crash Course. To reserve your spot at no cost to you, just click the link below. Um, and you can copy that. I'll leave it up there for a little bit. And here's a sneak peek of what you'll get during the event. Again, https://m164 dot isrefer.com /go /sell more crash course capital A 10005. Okay, so here's what you get. This is a sneak peek of some of the things. A personalized 2 to 3 page game plan designed to give you greater confidence and clarity so you can focus on the things that matter. The most critical decision to make in order to sell a lot more books. 5 ways to sell more books on Amazon that most authors don't know anything about. Case studies of authors who have sold thousands, even millions of books via bulk sales in a single order. How to enjoy telling people about your book without being salesy. The one-page document that gets your family and friends to help promote your book. How to launch your book to bestseller status. The strategy one author used to get over 20,000 reviews for his book on Amazon. 20,000? That's a lot. What it takes to get on national TV. And as I've always said, national TV is one of the key things to create a best-selling book or even to create a good-selling book. How an author who felt intimidated by social media grew a large following. And I think that's important because I know that there are a lot of authors who don't know really how to use social media, or if they do use it, they don't use it very well or very consistently. And those things are all important. So sign up here if you want free again at no cost for this Zoom event on May 1st, Thursday, again, noon to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm proud to be one of Steve's compensated affiliates. That means I get paid if you decide to sign up for anything else that he has to offer. But I do this and I promote Steve's work because I like what he does, and I think this could make a big difference in your book sales. Note that the average author releases a book with high hopes but only ends up selling 250 or fewer copies. Don't let that happen to you. You can join Steve and me on Zoom next Thursday. https://m164.isrefer.com /go /sell more crash course capital A 10005. This is the Sell More Books Crash Course with Steve Harrison. That's his photo right there above mine. And I hope that you'll sign up. I think you'll get a lot of value out of it. Even if you can't attend the whole 8-hour event, if you even listen in for a little bit, you'll learn a lot. Thanks for listening in.